Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off extra brightness on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next we go down and tap on display, then go down and make sure you turn off adaptive brightness. Once you turn that off, you can turn on extra brightness. Tap on the toggle button that will turn on extra brightness, and you can also drag on the slider bar up here to increase the brightness. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off extra brightness on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. When this is switched on, you can increase the maximum brightness. This uses more battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.